Golden Key Adventures. In a magical land, there lived a group of brave young heroes, Ava, Ben, and Maya. They heard tales of the legendary Golden Key, said to unlock the secrets of the universe. Determined to find it, they set off on a grand adventure. Their journey took them through dark forests, across roaring rivers, and over towering mountains. Along the way, they faced challenges and obstacles but never gave up hope. As they neared their destination, they encountered a wicked sorcerer who tried to stop them. But with courage and teamwork, they defeated him and reached the hidden chamber where the Golden Key lay. But when they finally held the key in their hands, they realized its true power was not in its ability to unlock secrets but in the journey they had taken together. They learned that friendship, bravery, and perseverance are the greatest treasures of all. And so, with their hearts full of joy and wonder, Ava, Ben, and Maya returned home, forever changed by their epic quest.